This and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
A muggy evening on the way, but it looks like we'll remain on the dry side. Temperatures easing off from 83 to 80 at 9 o'clock, 76 at 11 p.m. Staying humid tomorrow morning. Again, there could be a little patchy light fog in some areas, 75 at 8 o'clock, then up to 84 at noon. And with the heat and humidity building into the afternoon, temperatures getting into the upper 80s to close to 90. We could see some more of those scattered thunderstorms pop up later in the day. Definitely a muggy night on the way. You're going to see those dew point values over the next 12 hours continue to run pretty close to 70. And that'll be all night long. So the dew point, more of a measure of what we call the absolute humidity than the relative humidity, where you'd see that go down during the day, up at night. But this definitely makes you feel pretty humid when you have those kind of numbers close to 70. Now, late tomorrow, as I mentioned, the thunderstorms could be around again. Storms Prediction Centers put us in a slight to marginal risk of severe weather again, with a better chance of those strong to severe thunderstorms west of us out in Illinois and into far western Indiana. And then we'll have some more thunderstorms around the area on Friday. The high temperatures tomorrow expected to be, as I mentioned there, upper 80s to close to that 90-degree mark. Our heat index forecast at 11 o'clock into the 70s. Not bad tomorrow morning, but then already by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon up to 84. We'll see those numbers in the 90s at 5 o'clock. So get ready for some sticky weather and uncomfortable weather over the next 2 days. Tonight, partly to mostly cloudy sky. Now in the Beaver Creek areas, we check out the Phillips Company's time lapse. Had some rain earlier there, early to mid-afternoon. And back to partly cloudy skies in the Bryant Heating and Cooling camera. Partly to mostly sunny conditions there. Live Doppler 2 HD is dry right now, and that's the way it looks like it'll stay this evening. The thunderstorms that came through earlier, well off to our east, pushing out into eastern Ohio. And then we're looking at some strong thunderstorms down south into Kentucky, where there's a severe thunderstorm warning just southeast of London, Kentucky. Cold front northwest of us, slow to move. We'll stay in the warm, sticky air for the next couple of days. Finally, a little bit of relief just in time for the start of the weekend. We're back up to 83 degrees after cooling off with those thunderstorms. The southwest wind at 12, relative humidity 67%. Heat index, what it feels like with the temperature and the humidity for us, upper 80s, low 90s right now in the Cincinnati area. Our weather check readings tonight, everybody pretty much in the low to mid 80s, although David Wessler, New Paris, a little more time to recover, and looking at a temperature there of 86 degrees. Just a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm overnight. Basically, it looks like a dry forecast tonight, but then some more of that activity flaring up tomorrow, especially into the afternoon and then into tomorrow night and Friday. Those scattered showers and thunderstorms around too as the cold front heads our way. The good news is behind that front for the weekend, it looks like some better weather. Tonight, though, partly cloudy and muggy, an overnight low of 70. The southwest winds will drop off to 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then a partly sunny, very warm, humid day tomorrow. Could see some afternoon thunderstorms as temperatures climb into the upper 80s. 84 at noon, 87 at 2 o'clock. And then we'll see that chance of some late afternoon, evening thunderstorms with those temperatures in the 80s. Up around 90 on Friday, still a chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Saturday, though, it starts to get better. Lowering humidity Saturday, high 84, 60 Sunday morning with a high of 83, and then back up to 85 on Monday. Looks like mostly sunny skies to start early next week for Sunday and Monday, but we've got to get there first, and we still have to deal with some mugginess next 2 days.
Yep.
Okay.
And a 90.
And a 90, and even close to 90.